Hi and welcome. Today we're going to create an internet offering with several prices for different bandwidths. Then, we are going to associate each bandwidth with a price to drive ordering and billing pricing logic. Let's start. First, we're going to log into the unified product catalog and go to the offerings section. We are going to create a new internet product offering. The new offering will be based on an existing internet product specification. We will define the category, code, and name for the new internet offering. By pressing the confirm button, the new offering is created. In the attributes section, we can find the bandwidth characteristic. Bandwidths are defined by the product specification and can be further restricted by the product offering. Let's enable only a subset of bandwidths for this internet product offering. This internet offering will only support 5/10 megs, 10/10 megs, and 20/20 megs bandwidths. The default speed shall be 5/10 megabits per second. Now let's add a monthly subscription fee. This internet product offering will be part of a bundle, so the default bandwidth shall be charged by the bundle monthly fee. Therefore, the first price of the internet offer shall be 0. The price is defined on monthly basis and set as prorated. We set the tax rate to default. Basic bandwidth does not have any surcharge, therefore, we enter 0 as the price. This price is marked as basic subscription. Let's proceed by adding the second monthly fee. This fee represents a surcharge that will be used for bandwidth upgrade to 10 megabits per second. And finally, let's add the third monthly fee. This fee will be used for the highest bandwidth option. We will mark it as upgrade 2. Now, the price list is fully configured with all three fees, 0 for default bandwidth, €4 for first, and €7 for the second upgrade. Finally, we will associate prices with the bandwidth characteristic. We have to define a mapping between characteristic values and prices. The 0 monthly fee shall be associated with 5/10 megs, €4 monthly with 10/10 megs, and €7 with 20/20 megs. The last step is to set the status of the product offering to production. The new internet offering can now be included in other bundle offerings. This concludes our product demo. Thanks for watching.